Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to learn about the difference between the deep web and the dark web. So first talking about the deep web. First of all, the deep web is totally unindexed as we discussed in the previous lecture. The deep web cannot be accessed by any type of browser and it contains websites or services which are protected by a paywall or require sign-in credentials. Storage space for the web. Yes. The storage services offered by Google or any other company like Google Drive or OneDrive store their data on the deep web. This deep web is also known as the storage section of the internet. It is also known as the boring section of the internet. Think about it. Talking about the dark web. First of all, it is a subset or a part of deep web. Intentionally, the dark web is kept totally anonymous, which is its best feature, of course. Unlike deep web, the dark web is unindexed, but a special browser known as Tor browser is required to access the dark web. On the surface web, you see many websites with different extensions like .com or .in or .au, but all the websites which are indexed or listed on the dark web use the .onion extension, which separates them from the websites listed on the surface web. Sadly, due to the anonymity factor, majority of the websites listed on the dark web are illegal or are just scams. Not all, but majority of them. Well, we are going to explore them in this course in the upcoming lectures. That's all for this lecture, guys. See you in the next one. Thank you very much.